Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Friday, April 25th, last day of the week. Did have some action today, not a whole lot. Not much economic data out there that came out. We did have two trades. One, we'll go over them in no particular order. First one you're looking at here is euro to the Australian dollar. We were short this 1.49055. Came in for us, picked up 18.9 pips, adjusted for size. You're looking at about 7.5 pips. Good area to cover. You know, you had this area from, what was this, the 23rd, 2 days ago, this consolidation area where it broke up and tried to run north and then start to consolidate again. You could view that as where she might stop on a pullback, and that's exactly what it did. So we covered ahead of that. You know, most times we're wrong, as you see in the in past videos. So far today, it looked like we've been right. Got about 5 hours left of trading for today, or for the week, I should say. So, you know, it might hold that we were right the whole time. Second trade, Australian dollar to Japanese yen. Much more difficult. We were long this 94.872. We tried to be patient. It moved up a little bit. It was consolidating. We were probably, I would say, up most of the time these few hours here. And then finally, it looks like it's going to break out, and she fails. And as soon as she failed, that's when we got out. So we picked up 3.4 pips, adjusted for size, 1.3 pips. So far, it's been the right move. As you see, it has come in from that level about at the low point, close to 40 pips. Currently down about 20-25 pips from where we got in. So, you know, I think we made the right move there so far as well, which is pretty rare that we get to make the right move in two trades. But that was an easy one. I mean, you know, you could see it after this consolidation here, and once it broke these two highs, it should have ran. And once it didn't run, you know, that's when we just looked to get out. So pretty easy trade there. So we'll take it to end the week. You know, nothing great, but we'll take the pips and move on till next week. Next week starts, you got about 3 days left, so we'll be cutting our size in approximately half for the remainder of the month, starting Monday, most likely. And then be starting the new month, I believe, on Thursday. So that's it. There was, let me see, were there any signals this morning? I don't think so. I don't think there's been any signals for swing trades either this morning. So we'll wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way, although it is Friday, so you may not want to take them, you know, because then you're holding over the weekend. You're risking getting gapped somewhere. There's been a lot of, obviously, as you probably know, a lot of tension in the Ukraine with Russia. Apparently the tension picked up quite a bit last night, so might not want to hold any positions over the weekend. All right, have a good one, and we'll be back next time we do a video.